Picture this. A smallholder farmer wakes up one morning to check on his 2-week-old chicks, only to find 5 dead, 7 gasping for breath, and a few huddled in the corners, heads tucked, eyes closed. He panics, rushes to the agri-vet, buys a broad-spectrum antibiotic, mixes it with drinking water, and prays it works. But 2 days later, more chicks die. The survivors are slow, growth rate drops, and when he finally sells the batch, he barely breaks even. Now, here's the twist. The problem wasn't the lack of antibiotics. It was misuse, over-reliance, and poor gut health management. And sadly, this is happening every day across thousands of farms in Africa, Asia, and beyond. Before we continue, let me know in the comments, where are you watching from? I'd love to know which part of the world you're raising your birds from. Here's the truth. Most smallholder and semi-commercial poultry farmers are losing birds and money not just because of diseases, but because of poor immune resilience, weakened gut flora, and antibiotic resistance. The poultry industry has become trapped in a cycle where antibiotics are used as a crutch instead of a tool. But today, I want to show you something different. A natural herbal balm that can boost your chicken's immune system, prevent common bacterial infections, and improve performance without a single antibiotic. And yes, it's backed by both science and farmer field success. It's a simple blend of turmeric and cayenne pepper. And when used right, it can do what antibiotics often fail to do. Support the bird's internal defense system, reduce mortality, improve digestion, and increase weight gain or egg production. No withdrawal period, no drug residues, no egg downgrading. Just clean, healthy, profitable farming. If you believe in healthier chickens and better profits, do me a favor. Hit the like button right now so YouTube can recommend this video to more farmers. And don't forget to share it with another farmer who might need this knowledge. Let's face it, respiratory infections, coccidiosis, salmonella, and E. coli are some of the most common threats to poultry production. They cost farmers millions every year, not just in lost birds, but in poor feed conversion, stunted growth, low egg output, and rejected birds at market. And what's the first thing many farmers do when they see dull birds, sneezing, or bloody droppings? They rush for antibiotics, tylosin, oxytetracycline, and sulfa drugs, and pour them into the water like salt into soup. But here's the danger. Bacteria evolve. The more we use antibiotics without a proper diagnosis, the more we force bacteria to mutate and fight back. That's why diseases keep recurring even after multiple treatments. Worse still, antibiotic residues can linger in eggs and meat, posing public health risks and leading to export bans. A 2021 FAO report even highlighted that some regions are increasingly flagged for antimicrobial residues in poultry exports, causing huge losses and tighter restrictions. Now, imagine a flock that doesn't rely on synthetic drugs every 2 weeks. A flock with a healthy gut, strong immune response, and better nutrient absorption. That kind of flock has fewer outbreaks, lower mortality, and better performance. That's the goal. And turmeric plus cayenne pepper might be the key. Let's talk science. Turmeric, curcuma longa, contains a powerful compound called curcumin. This natural polyphenol has been studied for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and even antioxidant effects. In poultry, curcumin helps modulate gut microbiota, reduce oxidative stress, and stimulate immune organs like the spleen and thymus. One study published in the Journal of Poultry Science and Technology, 2020, showed that broilers fed turmeric powder at 0.5% of feed had improved feed conversion ratios and reduced mortality under mild E. coli challenge. Cayenne pepper, Capsicum annuum, on the other hand, contains capsaicin, the compound that gives it that fiery heat. Capsaicin improves blood circulation, enhances appetite, stimulates enzyme secretion, and supports the gut lining. It also has strong antimicrobial properties that help fight harmful gut bacteria. When combined, These two herbs create a synergistic herbal balm that promotes health, resilience, and performance. Here's the farmer-friendly recipe. Use turmeric powder, clean, dry, and finely ground, no additives. Use cayenne pepper powder, not black pepper, clean and finely ground. Dosage: 4 broilers or layers in grower/finisher stage. 2 grams of turmeric plus 1 gram of cayenne per kilogram of feed. For chicks below 3 weeks. Half the dosage, 1 g turmeric plus 0.5 g cayenne per kg of feed. Mix thoroughly into the feed. Do this once daily for 5 to 7 consecutive days every 3 to 4 weeks. During stress periods like vaccination, heat, transport, or cold weather, you can extend it to 10 days. Always ensure your birds have clean water, proper shade, and balanced feed. Don't overdose. More herbs do not mean better results. High capsaicin can irritate the gut. Don't mix with antibiotics unless advised by a vet. Don't use moldy or expired powders. Contamination worsens gut issues. Don't expect instant results. Herbs build strength gradually. Some farmers say herbs can't treat serious infections. That's true. Turmeric and cayenne are not substitutes for antibiotics in severe cases like advanced salmonellosis. They are preventive and supportive tools, like exercise for your bird's immune system. Others ask, aren't herbs expensive? Not at all. For a flock of 100 birds, using this formula costs less than $5 per month. Far cheaper than repeated antibiotic treatments and vet calls. And yes, it works for broilers, layers, and indigenous birds. You can even combine this method with probiotics, garlic extract, or multivitamins for better results. So, here's the summary. 1. Overuse of antibiotics weakens your flock and your profits. 2. Turmeric and cayenne pepper help build strong gut health and immunity. 3. Prevention is cheaper and safer than constant treatment. Start small, try on a portion of your flock, observe the results, then scale up. Document your progress, and share your experience in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with a fellow farmer. Together, let's build a new generation of farmers who raise healthier flocks naturally. Reminding you that strong birds start with strong immunity. See you in the next video.